Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this CapCut like Adobe effect CC in CapCut PC. So first you're going to go to effects and you're going to type in spinning space and you're going to apply it to the video. Delete the twist and delete the rotation as well as the size. And you're going to put the filter at around 30%. Then you're going to type in fancy sharpen. This is a pro feature though, unfortunately, but I'm just going to add that. Delete color. I want the range to be around 27, 25-ish. And I want the sharpen to be around 50, 60-ish. Actually, I want it to be around 67. I want the glow to be around 35. The filters at 0 and the atmosphere at around 23. Okay, then I am going to select the video. I'm going to go to adjustments here. I'm going to turn down the brightness by around 5%. The contrast at around 4, -4. I want the saturation to be at around 4 as well. Then I want to sharpen it to 50%. And I want to add a vignette at around 11-12%. Let's go to the curve section. And I'm just going to make it look like this, kind of. And here on the blue part as well. And that's pretty much it really. This is the after of the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!